Good afternoon, everyone. Don't adjust your sets. I'm over here at the weather wall doing the clicker thing. Anyway, it's 79 degrees. Once the sun cleared out, it got a little warm. That's also our high temperature for the day, and all of a sudden we're right at seasonal temperatures because it's springtime. You know, we start warming up this time of year. But we had the clouds this morning and actually got 2/100 of an inch of rain out at the airport. That brings our month of March up to 1.93, just slightly below, half inch below our normal average for the month. And the year is now, since January 1, we've had 12.76. So let's take a look at the storm system. There you see the line that rolled right through our area. It is now way out there in Louisiana, causing all kinds of problems from Louisiana through Arkansas and on up into the Midwest. Behind it, you see some cooler air. You can always tell the cooler air when it looks kind of like cotton candy. You see what's out over Midland and El Paso? Yeah, that's cool, unstable air, and it is going to be drifting into our area, giving us a couple of very nice days. Meanwhile, we've got problems in the Midwest as this time of year means storm seasons. There's our little bitty line going right through Victoria, right there about 11:30. And dropped only that very little light chance of rain. The red areas are for red flag warnings for fire danger because now the humidities are going to be dropping, that our winds have shifted around. But tonight, as I mentioned, things are a little busy up in the central, well, mid-Mississippi Valley. Big thunderstorms rolling from Louisiana all the way up to Arkansas and moving up into Greenville. You are looking at the heavy activity that's rolling through that area right now. Now here's the rainfall total in the last 24 hours. You can see it was barely a trace to a sprinkle here and there. But, you know, we got some great rain last weekend and we've stayed on the damp side. Haven't had a lot of hot, drying weather. So, you know, we're in pretty good shape. In fact, if you are driving around, you can see all the corn plants. They're smiling. Yeah, the corn plants are smiling because they're having such a great time right about now with a very conducive weather. So here's our storm and our little front that continues rolling up into the Midwest. They get all the bad weather. We're going to be shifting from an unstable air mass, and by the time we get to Wednesday, we're going to start the warming trend. Yes, it's going to start warming up, and so instead of staying in the comfortable 70s, by the time we get to the weekend, we're going to start seeing mid-80s, if you can believe it or not. Tomorrow, about 75 for us, 81 down in Corpus Christi, 73 in Houston. We're taking a look at your day planner for those of you in, let's first say severe weather outlook for tonight, but that's over there through Jackson, Mississippi, pretty much escaping most of Texas. Here's your Port Lavaca day planner, partly cloudy and then sunny all day long, getting up to about 75. In Cuero, lots of sunshine all day long, getting up to about 72. Those are very comfortable temperatures. So a good looking couple of days. Scattered clouds on Wednesday, Thursday, but then Friday, yep, the old south wind kicks in and we're going to be rather breezy, getting warm, getting humid, and getting back up to the mid-80s by the time we get to the weekend. That is your 7-day forecast, reminding everybody